In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to Java cast an HTML file in Replit. We'll walk through getting into Replit, starting a fresh workspace, using the built-in chat to generate starter code, and making quick edits so you can see results right away. I'll keep things clear and practical so you can follow along smoothly. First, open your browser and go to the Replit website. When the dashboard loads, take a moment to get oriented. You'll notice a sidebar on the left. That's your main navigation area. It's where you'll find options to browse projects, access tools, and most importantly for us today, start something new. From that left sidebar, look for the option to create something new and click it. This opens up a fresh project area where you can work without any clutter. Replit makes it straightforward to spin up a small web project, and we're going to lean on its built-in assistance to move faster. Inside your new project, locate the chat box. This is where you'll type a plain English command to get starter code. Think of it like giving instructions to a helpful coding assistant. If you're just starting out, keep your prompt simple and direct. For example, you can ask for basic code, such as a minimal HTML file with a linked CSS file. Short, specific requests usually return cleaner results. A great beginner-friendly prompt is to ask for a landing page layout. Type something like, create a landing page layout into the chat. This tells the assistant exactly what you want, a structured page with sections you can customize, plus styles to make it presentable. If you need particular elements like a header, a hero section, or a call to action, mention them briefly in your message. Replit will then generate HTML and CSS you can edit immediately. You should see files like index.html and a style sheet appear in your file list. Open index.html to adjust the text, headings, or button labels, and open the CSS file to change colors, fonts, or spacing. Make small edits, save, and check that each change behaves as expected. If something doesn't look right, refine your prompt in the chat or tweak the code directly. Clear prompts and incremental edits will help you reach a clean result faster. And that's the full flow. Head to Replit, use the left sidebar to create something new, type your request in the chat box, generate basic code or a landing page layout, and then customize the HTML and CSS to make it your own. Keep experimenting, and you'll quickly build confidence working in Replit.